Nicola Sturgeon should have appointed a dedicated government minister with complete responsibility for care homes, her opposition has said. The latest criticism of the Scotland First Minister from Scottish Conservative leader Jackson Carlow came after it emerged there have been more deaths related to coronavirus in care homes than hospitals. The latest data from National Records of Scotland (NRS) showed there have been 1,818 deaths in care homes where COVID-19 was mentioned on the death certificate, higher than the 1,815 in hospitals. Mr. Carlow also argued Scotland needed to do better on testing for the virus, adding that every person in care homes should be tested. The Scottish Conservative leader said research on both the number of people who have been tested and the number of tests carried out showed Scotland had one of the worst levels of performance anywhere in the world. Mr. Carlow told BBC Radio Scotland's Good Morning Scotland programme earlier today, "If we're going to get on top of this virus we need to do better than that. And in our care homes we should have appointed a cabinet secretary with complete responsibility for the care home sector, redeployed officials, made it an absolute requirement that we get in touch with every one of these care homes. And we should have in place, 2 weeks after the government made an announcement that they would, testing, which means every person in a care home is now being tested. That is not happening in a single health board anywhere in Scotland." He added, "Until we get on top of this, we are not fulfilling our duty to the care home sector. There is no vaccine for this virus in prospect just now, the risk to our care home sector is an ongoing one, and we need to deliver on the promise that was made over 2 weeks ago to test everybody in those care homes. That was the Scottish Government's commitment and the Scottish Government have not met it."